This is a remote control flying bird. Hello YouTubers! Come join us for fun with Zappy Toys and Fun. Welcome to Zappy Toys and Fun. We have the Go-Go bird. You can fly like a real bird. Let's get the bird out of the box. How cool! Look at the blue bird and the remote control. Look at this bird, it's super cool. So excited to play with it in the park. I'm outside, I'm gonna fly this bird. Launch the bird to start flying and the trolley in the air. Left, right, up, down. Fly the bird. Use the mode to fly the bird. With this mode, the bird can go in a circle or a figure or 8. Auto mode. Check out flying in a circle. You can fly in any direction. Make it go fast or slow. Great fun!